Hello guys, and welcome back to another vlog. They say life is a journey, not a destination. So let's start our journey. So today we are going to cover two places. The first one is Thoseghar Waterfall and the second one is Kaas Pathar. So let's get started. Thoseghar Waterfall is a scenic spot located near the small village of Thoseghar, which is 20 kilometers from Satara city. After driving for almost 3 hours, we halted after the Katraj tunnel to have the Asal Puneri misal, and it was yum. After having our delicious misal, our journey continues with mesmerizing views around. After parking the car, we took the entry ticket and started walking towards the waterfall. First, we visited the small waterfall and then the big waterfall. After enjoying the waterfall, time to head to our second spot, which is the Kaas Pathar Plateu, which is also known as the Flower Valley of Maharashtra. To reach the plateau, one needs to park the car at their parking spot and head up in their buses. As we reached the plateau, we were welcomed by heavy rains. So, due to the rains and clouds, we could not see much of flowers, but we enjoyed the weather and nature. our journey comes to an end and we head back home. Hope you like this video. Please do like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. Bye bye.